Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for the week of November 20th, 2028, Part 2. This week's theme is Thanksgiving. Thankful by Eileen Spinelli, illustrated by Archie Preston. The waitress is thankful for comfortable shoes. The local reporter for interesting news. The gardener is thankful for every green sprout. The fireman for putting the fire out. The poet is thankful for words that rhyme. The children for morning story time. The artist is thankful for color and light. The clown for her costume, silly and bright. The doctor is thankful when patients get well. The traveler for a cozy hotel. The dancer is thankful. She loves the beat that stirs her heart and hips and feet. The chef is thankful for plates licked clean. The tailor for her sewing machine. The queen is thankful for afternoon tea. The beekeeper for the honeybee. The mayor is thankful for every vote. The sailor for his sturdy boat. The birder is thankful to list a new bird. The pastor is thankful for God's loving word. The crafter is thankful for glitter and glue. And me, I'm ever so thankful for you. The end. Okay, we're going to make a toilet paper roll turkey. Your craft to go kit includes a toilet paper roll. These are actually a little stronger than toilet paper rolls. I got them from Oriental Trading. But toilet paper rolls would work just fine, or a cut up paper towel roll. You'll have 3 feathers, 2 googly eyes. Flip those over. And in this little paper clip, you have little feet, and then a beak and a waddle. So that's your craft to go kit. And you'll need glue or a glue stick. I'm going to use a glue stick. Now the first thing I'm going to do is put on my beak, because it goes right in the middle with the face. So I'm going to put it right down here. I didn't get enough glue on it. Make sure you cover the whole thing with glue, because since it's not on a flat surface, it's a bent surface, you're going to need extra glue. So just stick that on like that. Give the eyes. Make sure you get a good amount of glue on this. If it doesn't work with a glue stick, you can always get some regular school glue. But I think this will work. There's one eye. Get lots of glue on it. Oops, came up and around. Centered, are they? This one's not really on. There. They're on. going to put the little feet on. And make sure you cover it with glue. There's one foot. There's number 2 feet. 1 foot, 2 feet. And the last thing you're going to do is get some glue inside the tube so that you can stick your feathers in there. So I'm just putting it right inside there. You can see it's all gluey. If you don't want to put it inside, you can put it on back. But I think it looks nice inside. So we're going to put one feather there, one feather there, and one feather there. Oops, I covered all the glue. Feather and feather. Spread them out a bit. Oops. 3:30. Just hold that on for a minute, and that's how it looks. That's all there is to it.